Through location, come on.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshad Maurya. I am the student of Brahman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is pollution. As we all know very well that pollution has been a very big disaster for us for a long time. We have seen that there are many types of pollution that are very hazardful for our health and they may uh, make us sick and pollution is pollution is not uh, is not natural. It is made by the humans. So it may be said that human is making himself sick because pollution is the thing that is increasing day by day, and because of this nowadays you can see global warming uh, due to which there is too much heat
Mm.
because nowadays people don't plant trees and they use CO2 vehicles a lot. Uh, so there are four major types of pollution: air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Air pollution uh, is the most hazardful pollution for us. Um, it's in the air and it is polluted by this CO2 that is extracted by the vehicles and chimneys or factories.
Mm.
Um, it is very harmful for us um, uh, because when we inhale,
Mm.
sometimes we at the place where there are a lot of vehicles, at that place we may get germs inside our body, and due to those germs we may get sick. And and nowadays government is taking actions for it, and nowadays the vehicles that are uh, that that are used more than 15 years can't be used by any person. They will have to buy new vehicles because when the vehicles get old, uh, they extract very harm pollution.
Mm.
uh, so to control air pollution we must grow as much as trees we can, because trees convert CO2 into O2,
Mm.
uh, by which we may inhale very well and our immunity will get very strong.
Mm.
And now I would like to tell you about water pollution. Pollution is very has been a very harmful disaster for us uh, for uh, for a long time. Water pollution is very harmful for the people who are living in the villages, because sometimes uh, in most of the villages you may see rivers and ponds where the water comes from the main river, and the river is polluted some by some people,
Mm.
like sometimes factories extract their waste product in the water that is very harmful, and sometimes dead bodies are thrown in the water,
Mm.
and um, villagers may drink that water and they may get sick. And in villages nowadays you can see hand pumps or uh, borings that are very more useful than the river water, but it it is also harmful. Uh, so my so now noise pollution is polluted by the loud sound of DJs and by many things, by loud horns, and because in the earlier time you could see when DJs were started, there was no limit to use those DJs, but nowadays you can see that uh, we can't use DJs after 10 o'clock.
Very good.
Uh, so uh, nowadays noise pollution is getting more because of the loud sound of vehicles. So we must not use vehicles once were not useful. We must use it at the place when it is very useful. So now I would like to tell you about soil pollution. And nowadays, pollution is taking place very much. Uh, Soil is very important for us, but nowadays soil is getting loose and its fertility is being used
Very good.
by many uh, by the plants, but most of the people don't see at them. They think that government will do all the works where they need to do, so they do nothing. And to increase the fertility of the soil, government takes action, and it's the responsibility of the local people who lives there. But they don't think that it is their responsibility. So we must keep it in our mind that we are living in a in a same planet, and it's our mother earth. So we must keep its care as much as we can. That's it, sir.
Shabash, very nice speaking. Very good, beta. And now I am calling Harsh.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshad. Today's topic is as we not all are aware of disease.
Your voice is not clear. Make it
It
clear and then come. Make it clear, Sushil.
Yes, sir.
सॉरी फॉर इंटरप्ट मेरे को आप
Yes, Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am the student of the Ramban online interactive classes from B16. And today, our topic is pollution. As we know that we are living in age of science, and science has given us many gadgets and machines. With the help of them, we can live comfortable life.
Shabash.
But सर दुर्भाग्य को क्या कहते हैं?
Unfortunately.
Yes, sir. But unfortunately, we have a curse that is pollution, and the whole yes, sir, and the whole world is facing to pollution because this is very harmful for our health. And there are mainly three kinds of pollution. First is water pollution, second is air pollution, and third is noise pollution. And first of all, I am talking about water pollution. Water pollution means polluted water or unpure water, and there are many causes of it. Like you can see that some people threw rubbish
Throw.
in the yes, sir, throw in the ponds and in rivers, and they also take bath, and in the industrial area you can see factories pipe are connected to river, and the yes, sir, and the waste water of factories is connected to rivers and ponds. This is also cause of polluted water. And now I am talking about noise pollution. Noise pollution means polluted air and unpure air, and there are many causes of it. Like you can see that in the age of science, we people have vehicles and they use it more, and they and if they have some work to go market, and the market is near from them, so they use vehicles. But
Voice is not coming.
sir, अब आ रही है?
हाँ बोलो.
Yes, sir. And they use vehicles, but they should not use vehicles. And you can see that when people are at red light, they start their vehicles on red light, but they should not do so.
They keep their vehicles
Oh.
start.
Yes, sir. They keep their vehicles start on red light, but they should not do so because vehicles throw smoke, and that is that very harmful for our. And now I am talking about noise pollution. Uh, Similarly, there are many
Very good.
causes of it.
Nice use of similarly. Shabash.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
There are many causes of it. Like you can see that in the party and in the any function we use DJ sound at a high volume, and this is very harmful for our health because of it we may deaf,
We may become
and
deaf.
yes, we may become deaf,
Hmm.
and some people modify their vehicles and they blow horn in the public area.
Hmm.
This is also cause of it.
Hmm.
So now it solution that what should we do for it? First is that we should grow plants as much as we can grow,
Very good.
and second is that we should if we are use DJ system, so we should use DJ system at a low volume, and we should not use DJ after 10 p.m. and when we are uh, yes sir, when we are at a red light, so we should off our vehicles, and then traffic light has become green, then we should start our vehicle. So in my views, if if we are free from pollution, so
Want
we
to be
can
free.
live.
If we want to be free.
Yes,
We
sir.
want to be
If we
free.
want to, yes, sir. If we want to free from pollution, so we should use these instructions. Sir, that's it.
Very good. Nice speaking. Shabash. Yes. And now this is the turn of Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today's our topic is pollution. So as you all know that pollution is a major problem for the world because pollution causes many harmful effects to human beings, nature, and animals. Like pollution makes pollution makes people sick, and 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 we all know that and how. So now I'm telling about how pollution is caused. As you know that there are three types of pollution: air pollution, noise pollution, and water pollution. All these three pollutions are caused by different ways and are caused by human activities. Means human are going to the way of sickness by causing pollution, and because and now I am telling about air pollution. As we all know that, so how air pollution is caused? There are many ways. There are many ways by which air pollution is caused, like by using vehicles of that runs by fuel, like LPG, like petrol and diesel, and these fuels cause a lot. These fuels release harmful gases in the air, which causes the fresh air, and the air pollution is also caused by the air by the harmful gases released by chimneys of factories and houses,
Very
and
good.
and so what can we do to overcome air pollution? We can There are many ways by which we can overcome air pollution, like government is doing many activities so that we can decrease air pollution, like now there are now many electric vehicles are made that runs with electricity, so that we can decrease the use of petrol and diesel and can save our fresh air, and there is and to overcome air pollution we should grow more and more trees, because trees take CO trees take CO2 and give us O2, so that which is very precious for us, and by this we do not have any problem in breathing, and we remain fit, and now I am telling about water pollution. As we all know that water pollution is also a very major problem for the world, and water pollution is caused by many ways, people connect sewer line pipes to the rivers, ponds and lakes, by which the sir, the impurities go in the water of rivers and make the water dirty, and by the release of harmful gases in the air,
Hello.
the rainwater also become
Bolin.
acidic, and we get
हाँ कौन
acidic water by the
आपको
air,
किससे बात करनी है
rain,
आपको
and water, and so
लगाया था
to and
अरे नहीं मतलब
we should not throw
मुझे
water
नहीं
in
लगाया कहाँ से बोल रहे हो आप
air in water, and
कहाँ से
now I am telling about noise
मुझे
pollution.
नहीं लगाया हमने
As you all know that noise pollution is caused by the
अरे
noise
नहीं
of
लगाया हमने लगाएगा तो
vehicles,
बात कर देना
DJs, loudspeakers, and
अरे कोई है ही नहीं कोई करना
kitchen
बच्चा ही नहीं है फोन मेरे
appliances,
पास नहीं बज रहा है
etc. So we should
किसी ने नहीं लगाया
try to decrease noise, and so try to we
अच्छा
should
किस
try
कॉलेज जा
to
रहा है
overcome at these all pollutions,
हाँ
and make our life healthy and fit, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड शाबाश बेटा keep it up very good yes now Vaishnavi from B18 yes
Yes,
shabash
sir.
shabash beta very good
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi, and I'm student of B8. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Online Classes, and from B18. Today's my topic is pollution. As we know that pollution causes many
is very harmful
is very harmful for us human
शाबाश
beings
आराम
and
से बोलो
animals.
बिल्कुल घबराओ मत हाँ आराम से बोलो हाँ
Uh, there are three types of pollution. First, air pollution. Second, water pollution. Third, noise pollution. First,
शाबाश
air pollution. Air pollution is caused by due to uh, pollution of vehicles like scooter, car, bus, etc. And second is water pollution.
शाबाश बेटा हाँ बेटा हाँ
Water pollution is caused due some people throw garbages in the pond, lake, oceans, etc. And some people bath their animals in the pond, lake, etc. and this is also the cause of water pollution.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
And third is noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused due to some people play music's DJ at a very high volume. And childrens and old peoples are disturbed from this pollution. And some people's
Some people में एस नहीं लगाते. हाँ बोलो.
some people makes very noise. And we become deaf.
शाबाश.
And in the exam time, children focus on their studies, so they disturb. And so that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है बेटा, शाबाश. करते रहो बस. ठीक है, घबराओ मत, सब रेजिटेशन निकल जाएगा, सारा सब ठीक हो जाएगा. रौनक.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. Today my topic is pollution, and I read in Ramban interactive classes. And today my topic is pollution. It is pollution in air, land, and water. It has now become a great problem that our life. Air is the most polluted of all. In our city life, we have little open space where we can have fresh air, where our children can play without inhaling the smoke and dust, and where our old adults can breathe the full. Water pollution when harmful, it can happen when nahin, through pollution can make the water dirty and unsafe for animals and plants. Fresh is the water can harm animals that live there. Dirty water can people sick if they drink or swim in it. And it is important to keep our water clean and free from pollution. People can help by not throwing trash into river or lakes. And pollution is the most. Pollution is very big problem in our life. That's it.
Right. ठीक है, nice efforts, keep it up. कोशिश करते रहो बस. Yes, and now Keshav. Keshav, he's not here. Okay, Nishant. Yes, beta.
Hello everyone, I am Nishan Saini from Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is pollution. Today we know that pollution is a major leading problem that troubled all countries. It is India is also polluted country. There are many type of pollution which harm the peoples and animals also.
Shabash.
For example, there are many type of pollution such as water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution. First of all, I am talking about noise pollution.
Very good.
It is caused by a horns of vehicle and loudspeakers, radios, etc. which is very harmful for our ears and animals also. It causes us death. And second, I am talking about water pollution. It is caused due to the water goes to river from factories, and some people washes clothes in river and throw garbage in river, which is very harmful for animals and to us. And the third one is air pollution. Air pollution is caused due to due to smoke comes from vehicle and factories and chimneys.
Shabash.
In India, Delhi is the polluted
Shabash.
most polluted state. There are many vehicles,
There are.
so they cause air pollution. To stop these type of pollution, we have to grow more and more trees, and government take many steps to stop these pollution, such as many CNG and electric vehicles are used nowadays.
Very good.
That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेट, बहुत अच्छा बेटा, वेरी गुड. बस कुछ नहीं है, कोशिश करते रहो, बस डर को निकालो दिमाग में से. And this is the name of Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashasvi Rao, and I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today, my topic is pollution. So, first of all, I want to explain the meaning of pollution. In the easy words, we can say that those rubbish which are not useful in our environment and those rubbish harm our environment day by day is called pollution. The pollution is not come from anywhere. It is made and used by the human. The human choose this way for his
Destruction.
For their destruction. The people do not want to plant trees. They only think the government do something about it, but it is wrong. It is wrong because the government do, but how much? The government not do all. We should also try something about it. We should plant trees, by which the air pollution become less. There are 4 type of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, or soil pollution. First of all, I am telling about air pollution. Air pollution is the most dangerous pollution for us. The 30% of people in the world causes by the problem of air. They don't breathe easily because of pollution. The most of the part of air is made by CO2, which is come from our chimneys, the factory chimneys, the factories and the vehicles. For seeing this problem, the government start electric vehicles. The government also do so many things for air pollution, like the government plant trees. Not only government, but also some societies who knows the problem of air pollution. They awake the people and motivate the people so that they should plant trees. Not only societies, but also school all do it. The school students do really and motivate and awake peoples, awake the peoples, and by the air pollution, the people had to see had to see, no, the people have to see the problem of asthma, etc. If we don't plant trees, those days are not far when we will we will use the oxygen tanks. Next, I tell about water pollution. Water pollution is also so dangerous because we drink water. The water is a basic need for us. The water comes from the seas and the rivers. But nowadays, so many civil lines and attached by the seas and rivers, by which the sea and river become polluted. The the government also do for it. The government make a plan for Ganga. Ganga is the most polluted river in the India. The Ganga, the name of Ganga is listed in the top 10 polluted rivers in the world. The government applies so many plans for Ganga, but we can see the Ganga is not good, in good condition. So many factories and drop its rubbish in it, by which the Ganga is not fresh, and the अस्तित्व को क्या बोलते हैं अस्तित्व को
Existence.
and its existence is in danger. Most of the people are causes by the problem of water, because they drink polluted water, and when they drink polluted water, so many bacteria and so many germs go in its body, and sometimes some dangerous bacteria come in our body, and they disturb the process of our body. So it is so dangerous problem for us. It is also dangerous for village peoples, because village peoples use rivers water. They drink also it. So it's so dangerous for village people. The government also do for it. They make some plans in which the civil water be fresh, and after the fresh water drop in seas. The government do so many things for water. If we don't save the water and don't be fresh the water, the third world war will be war for water. Now I'm telling about noise pollution. Noise pollution is also so dangerous. Nowadays we can say the vehicles run by too much sound. So many DJs and so many other instruments make so many noise, by which our environment disturbed. These noise increase day by day. This noise is not good for everyone. Some people have to see the problem of non-listening. Because of noise pollution, so many people always be disturbed. Noise pollution is not good. So government make a rule for it. After 10 p.m. we cannot use loud music instrument, which is so useful. Now I'm telling about soil pollution. Soil pollution, in easy words, we can say the pollution of mud. We can nowadays we can see not pollution, not only us but also mud is danger is in danger. All the eatable things grow by the mud, and mud is losing getting lost its nutrients. um the the farmers use so कीटनाशी को क्या बोलते हैं?
Pesticides.
The farmer use pesticides by which the nutrients of mud getting lost day by day. All the eatable things are not good. They made by chemicals, because the mud is not good. The farmer use so many things for good farm, but those things are dangerous. These things not only harms us but also harms mud. In last, I want to say we should be our environment fresh, because our next generation is also in danger. That's it.
वेरी गुड, नाइस स्पीकिंग. थोड़ा सा ग्रामर का ध्यान रखा करो, बस सिंगुलर प्लूरल का वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखा करो, बहुत ज्यादा मिस्टेक्स करते हो वहां पर. यस, कम ऑन श्री.
Hello everyone, I'm Shri. And today's my topic is pollution. As we all know that in present time it is a very big problem, and the act of making air, water, etc. dirty and dangerous is called pollution. And there are mainly 4 types of pollution: water pollution, soil pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution. So first of all, I am telling about water pollution. As we are throwing garbage in ponds, lakes, etc., which is making the water dirty and which is very harmful. And the soil pollution, we are using plastic bags, and farmers are using fertilizers, chemicals to grow crops, and by which the soil is losing its fertility.
शाबाश.
And air pollution, as we all know that in present time all people use too much vehicles, and which releases too much pollution, and which is so much harmful. And the factories, they also release too much pollution. And next is noise pollution. Noise, the people play high volume DJs, and they use horn too much, which is very harmful, and this is more harmful for patients. And as we know that in ozone layer, because of pollution, there is a hole, and due to this heat is also increasing day by day.
शाबाश, very good.
And these are the cause of many diseases, like asthma is a very very harmful disease. So what we should do to decrease pollution? We should not throw garbage into lakes, ponds, etc. to make safe our water.
शाबाश.
We should not play high volume high volume disease, and we should grow more and more trees and try to not use too much vehicles. We should not use plastic bags and should use manure to grow crops, which will help to decrease pollution.
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा.
Thank you.
हो गया? वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा. Now I am calling Kabir. He is also from B18. Yes, come on, Kabir.
Hello everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Ramar English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is pollution. As we know about that, pollution is very harmful for health. As we know about that, three types of pollution. First, air pollution. Second, water pollution. Third, land pollution. First of all, I am say air pollution. Air is very harmful for health because it is in air, and many people causes cancer, asthma, etc. And ozone layer is also becoming weak, and some people plant trees and many people don't plant trees, and environment causes dirty.
Becomes dirty.
Second, I am saying water pollution. Many people and many companies threw the rubbish in the water, and water causes dirty. Water
becomes dirty.
Water becomes dirty. Water becomes dirty. And the earth has 72% water. 2% water is only drinking water.
शाबाश, कोशिश कर. Very good.
And 70% water is very dirty. Yes sir, that's it.
Very good यार, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की तूने. शाबाश, बस ऐसी कोशिश करो. सही गलत तो सब हो जाएगा बेटा अपने आप बाद में. Very good. Now Pinky, come on.
Yes, sir. Good evening all of you. My name is Pinky Olia. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I want to tell about pollution. You know very well what is the pollution. Pollution is the very harmful for human beings. There is the biggest problem for us.
It is the biggest.
There are three types pollution, like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. First off, I want to tell about noise pollution. Noise pollution is like radio, FM, and DJs, etc. There is very harmful for our mindset.
It is. There is. It is very harmful.
And this. Ji sir. And most of the time, human beings are killed by noise pollution. Second off, I want to tell air pollution. Air pollution is the biggest problem for us. There is much pollution in cities because there are many vehicles here. There are no trees more here, and I want to see that government and humans being grow more trees.
Should grow more trees.
More trees. Ji sir. And third, I want to tell about water pollution. This is the biggest problem for us because I drink water. So most of the time, humans being are killed by water.
Dirty water.
Um, Dirty water. Most of the people throw garbage in Nair, and most of the people wash cloth in Nair, and most of the time animals are killed in Nair. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की तुमने। आज थोड़ी राइटिंग वर्क किया करो, राइटिंग वर्क करोगे तो
Thank
आगे
you so
अच्छा हो
much.
जाएगा। यस, इज देयर एनीवन हु वांट टू स्पीक?
जी सर।
नाम तो मेरे पास में यही थे, कोई और? कैमरे चालू करो सब अपने अपने।